Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Recovering deleted messages can help you retrieve important conversations that may have been accidentally lost or erased. So, let's get started on how to recover your deleted messages on Instagram. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon at the top right. Tap the gear icon at the top right. Then scroll down to download your information under your information. Now tap on Continue. Then tap on Download or Transfer Information. Choose the Instagram account instead of Facebook. Now select the option Available Information and select Download to Device. Then set your date range. Once you're done, tap on Create Files. Facebook will email you a copy of your messages including any deleted ones, usually within a few hours. And that's how you can recover deleted messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.